Alright, जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम everybody. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will take you along a day in my life during the locomotor module. I reached university a bit early today and honestly the weather was too nice. Because class start होने में थोड़ा सा time था, so I decided to go and sit on a bench for a while and enjoy the beautiful weather. क्योंकि रोज़ रोज़ तो ऐसा वेदर यूनिवर्सिटी में होता नहीं है। क्योंकि आज मुझे चांस मिल गया था और मेरे पास आज टाइम भी था बिफोर द क्लास स्टार्ट, सो आई थॉट ऑफ व्हाई नॉट रिसाइट सूरह मुज़म्मिल। सो मैंने सूरह मुज़म्मिल रिसाइट की। आफ्टर रिसाइटिंग सूरह मुज़म्मिल क्लास का टाइम भी हो चुका था। देन आई पैक्ड अप माई थिंग्स, पिक्ड माई थिंग्स अप एंड मेड माई वे टू द क्लास। Locomotor module undoubtedly is one of the most hardest module of the MBBS first year out of all of the 5 modules we will be studying. So usually हमारा डे जो है लेक्चर से स्टार्ट होता है। So सबसे पहले हमारा लेक्चर हुआ which was ऑफ एनाटमी, क्योंकि लोकोमोटर मॉड्यूल ज़्यादातर एनाटमी के ऊपर है, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द लेक्चर्स जो हमारे होते हैं वो ज़्यादातर सारे एनाटमी के ही होते हैं। सो वी वेंट टू द लेक्चर हॉल, वहाँ पे हमारा एनाटमी का मैंने लेक्चर अटेंड किया। ऑनेस्टली द लेक्चर हैड अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट, सो आई हेडेड स्ट्रेट टू द लाइब्रेरी. Once I settled in the library and found a spot there, so I took some time to go through the study guide of the locomotor module and I decided to revise an older topic from the locomotor module. Sometimes revisiting the past content really helps me feel more confident and it makes it easier for me to connect the dots with what we are learning right now. I think there is just something about coming to the library. It instantly makes me feel that like I am using my time better. After the library session, इसके बाद हमारा जो है वो प्लास्टिक म्यूजियम का यूनिट था. Today plastic museum for me was just about attendance, so the only motivation which I was having to attend the plastic museum was the biometric attendance, honestly. बाकी on my way I decided to record a little bit of the weather views, but it was a failed attempt I believe because weather बिल्कुल भी वीडियो में समझ नहीं आ रहा, but honestly it was a very good weather. So fast forward, I reached the plastic museum and I quickly got done with my biometric attendance. उसके बाद I had a bit of time in my hand, so I stayed there for a while just walking around looking at the models again. By the way, this is how the plastic museum of the Jinnah Sindh Medical University JSMU looks like. Also, I've uploaded a reel on plastic museum on my Instagram page. You guys can also go and check that out. I honestly don't know why I'm so much obsessed with the weather today. Weather आज बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हो रहा है. By the way, this is the model of the upper limb displaying all of the muscles और ये usually Viva and Auspice में आ जाते हैं, so we really have to learn it. So after the visit to the plastic museum, I went to the bone bank to return the bone alna which I had borrowed for the self study before the vacation. So काफ़ी time हो गया था bone लिए हुए, so I thought why not I return it right now. It's honestly so helpful having the access to these kind of plastic bones. It makes the learning way more hands on and real और इससे काफ़ी सारे structures आपको बहुत easily याद हो जाते हैं, right? Anyways, fast forward everyone, so I went into the bone bank. वहाँ पे मैंने अपनी bone return करवाई and then I made my way back to the lecture hall because वहाँ पे हमारी anatomy की एक और class थी. Honestly, it was too much of the anatomy today, but I already told you guys it is what locomotor module is majorly about. These were some of the views from the lectures that I made. Honestly, I was eagerly waiting for the class to finish, not because I was tired or bored, but because we had a friends hangout plan. So the moment the class ended, we rushed out of the campus full of energy and excitement to go and eat somewhere. But the real struggle thi that had just begun, which was finding the rickshaw. You know how it is. So we were negotiating the fare and every rickshaw driver was quoting their own version of price hike, but finally after some back and forth we struck a deal and we got a rickshaw for a pretty good amount. पूछें किस तरह से हम लोग रिक्शे में फिट आए थे, but yeah. After a 10 minutes drive from the university, we finally reached our destination. The restaurant that we selected for the lunch today was Food Zain. It is a fast food restaurant and it was located at the Sindhi Muslim Society. Honestly, the views, aesthetics and the ambience over here were 10 on 10. And क्योंकि ये मेरा first visit था to this restaurant, so I found it pretty good for the hangouts and it is highly recommended from my side. So सो यहाँ पे हमारा ऑर्डर आ चुका था। द फर्स्ट डिश वी वर हैविंग वाज द चीज़ी फेटोचिनो पास्ता, देन वेजिटेबल चाउमीन्स, ये बर्गर्स में वन वाज द क्रिस्पी जिंगर बर्गर और एक मलाई बोटी था, एंड दे बोथ वर 10 on 10। इनका फूड और सर्विंग दोनों ही बहुत अच्छी थी। बाकी दिस इज़ द पीना कोलाडा, आई वुड रेट इट 5 on 10। आफ्टर दिस वी हैड अ हिस्ट्री लैब एट द यूनिवर्सिटी। सो हम लोग जो है वो डायरेक्टली उसके बाद यूनिवर्सिटी आ गए थे। लिफ्ट क्योंकि वर्क नहीं कर रही थी, सो वी वेंट अप टू द 4th floor बाय दिस स्टेयर्स, एंड लिटरली इट वाज अ वेरी गुड वर्कआउट दैट डे। वी वेंट इन टू द हिस्ट्री लैब, वहाँ पे क्लास वॉज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड। बिकॉज आई वॉज लेट सो आई क्विकली कैच्ड अप विद द क्लास, एंड आफ्टर gearing myself up, I finally completed the assigned task. We were not studying a very difficult topic. It was a topic we already had studied in the foundation module as well, which was the cartilage. After completing the journal work, we went to see the microscopic slides for each of the cartilage. 3 types of the cartilage हमने study की थी, the elastic, hyaline and the fibrocartilage, and उसकी हमने turn by turn सारी slides देखी. This was me trying to focus on the slide by the camera lens ताकि मैं आप लोगों को भी दिखा सकूँ that what the slide basically looked like. The only result I could get was this. After that, it was a wrap for a long and happening day at university. From lectures to the library, bone bank, museum, it was one of those days that felt both productive and tiring in the best way. So that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys in another med school related vlog. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz everyone.